Hey everyone, hope everybody's doing well and staying safe, of course. Today I'm doing an unboxing video for you guys and I'm really excited because this is my first unboxing of this box from this subscription service. So I used to get Ipsy monthly and Ipsy was like I think it was $14.90 something every month, and I had Ipsy for a really long time. I used to get Ipsy when I lived in my apartment, and then I got Ipsy here when I lived in my house for probably about I would say between 2 or 3 years when I lived here in my house. So in a total, I think I've probably gotten Ipsy for like 4 years. And I love Ipsy. It's awesome. It's a great way to try new products and to try new makeup items and new beauty products. And they do have some great deals sometimes that you can purchase in their little marketplace area, add-ons and things like that. But I just was ready for something new, and I was ready for a new subscription box and something that I would really use, because I felt like I was getting a lot of stuff in my Ipsy bag that I kind of ended up not really using, or I had too many of these items and I just got kind of tired of. It's crazy to think that anyone, especially myself, could say that I was tired of makeup, but I was tired of getting makeup all the time and I was ready to get something different in a box, and I wanted to open maybe like things for my house or some beauty things and some things for myself. So I was really ready for a change, and I was watching Thrift Thick and she was talking about Causebox. And Causebox is a quarterly subscription service. So she had a discount code and I thought I would sign up. So Causebox is quarterly, so you receive it 4 times during the year. I think there's, a spring, summer, fall, and then a winter box. So you get charged every 3 months. And when I rounded it up, kind of calculated everything, with me paying $14.90 something a month for Ipsy, I literally was spending almost about the same amount of money that I would on Causebox. So maybe just like a few dollars more per month. But yeah, really, I was spending about the same amount of money. And so I figured, you know what, let me try this out. So Causebox is, I think it's $54.95 or something like that, every 3 months. So that's not too bad. And honestly, like I was saying, I feel like I was spending the same amount of money on Ipsy, because literally I think I was spending about probably about almost $50 every 3 months on Ipsy as well. So literally the same thing. So I went ahead and I signed up for Causebox and I got the fall welcome box. This is my first box. So it's not the fall box, but it's kind of their in-between box. So these are items that are kind of favorites and best picks from some previous boxes, and they just kind of combine them and include them in this fall welcome Causebox. So that's what this is, and I love this box. How pretty, how beautiful. It has a lot of pictures of women kind of holding each other up, and I think that's really awesome. And another nice thing about Causebox is that they do a lot of good. They do provide a lot of money to different kinds of organizations, charities, things like that, from the proceeds from the boxes. And also all of their items are sustainable. They're ethically made, ethically sourced. People are paid fair wages when they produce these items, and a lot of these items are handmade. And also they do a lot of empowerment for women and having women be able to start their own businesses in making some of these items. So a very inspiring box that I can definitely stand behind. So let's open this on up and see what I got. The box is pretty large, and let me just say right off the bat, how beautiful is this? It's so nicely packaged. It's got a little booklet here and then some tissue paper with a little sticker of a woman kind of relaxing in a robe almost. Beautiful. Love this box. Such a pretty box. And you can even use the boxes for like decoration, for keeping things in. So at the very top there is a fall welcome 2020 Causebox kind of little booklet. It says good news. And then on the back, it's just got let's put the kind back in humankind. So this is basically like in FabFitFun, you get kind of a magazine that tells you about the products, kind of tells you maybe some different recipes in there that you can use. Look at this, vegan pancake buffet. Ooh, yum. So all these things are really nice, tell you about some of the products, tells you about some of the women that they empower and things like that. So I'm gonna definitely be reading this, but let's open up the box and see what I got. So I think it's 6 full-size products in here, or between 6 and 8 full-size products. This like tissue paper is so pretty, I don't want to rip it. Okay, so on the top, they include this little postcard. I love this print. This is so pretty, and I think I might want to print, and I think I may want to frame this. This is designed by Cynthia Kittler for Causebox. I believe she may have designed the print on this box, and this is actually a postcard that you can send to someone, or you can frame it and put it in your room. So let's see. So the first thing, it looks like this is a tote, and this is in a 100% biodegradable packaging, which is nice. This says Alicia Mini Tote in Sage. So let's see what that looks like. So excited. So it's all nicely packaged up. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love this color. So this is by Pixie Mood, and it's a really pretty tote bag. It does have little feet on it, and it has a nice, quite long strap, does zip up. I think I'm gonna be moving all my things in here later. Ooh. So here's the straps, and then it opens up. This is 100% vegan leather. And then on the inside, you have another little bag so that you can put your items in it, use it as a cosmetic bag, whatever. And then here is your little tote bag. So pretty. So there's no divider or anything in here, but it is really pretty and just big enough to carry your things in. So I seriously think I'm gonna move all of my items in here and use this tote bag, and then you can actually keep your cosmetics and things like that in this little bag. So this right here alone is so worth it to me. I absolutely love this, and I love the color of it, and I love that it zips. So yeah, this is the Pixie Mood Alicia Mini Tote in Sage, and it's a cruelty-free 100% vegan materials, and the lining is made from recycled plastic bottles, which is really cool. So nextly in here, everybody got a Swell water bottle. So this is a Swell original insulated stainless steel water bottle, and mine is just the shade white. You don't get to choose the color. Well, the shade is actually called Angel Food, but really pretty. So I kind of have a lot of water bottles. I don't know if I'm going to use this one or if I'm going to give it as a gift to someone for Christmas or something, but either way, really pretty and definitely useful. And then also in here, I've got, I don't know, 6-pack reusable silicone stretch lids. Let's open this up and see. So this is nice. So you get like a little bit of everything. I've got some house things. I got some stuff for me. Love it. So this is a, wow, 6-pack of these silicone stretch lids that you can basically pop on over any kind of container and keep your food fresh. And then it's got like little tabs so that you can peel it off. Looks like they are different round ones. I think they're all round, but they're all different sizes to fit over different kinds of little containers. And they have a little happy face. How cute. So yeah, this is definitely going to come in handy. I will definitely use these to keep some food fresh in my house. So I'm very excited about that. And then I also have in here a serum. This is a face brightening serum, revitalizing, smoothing, dark spot reducing, complexion toning, tissue repairing. And this is with marula, black currant, and carrot. And this is All Way of Will face serum. So this is a lightweight, vitamin rich, easily absorbed serum to prevent dehydration in the skin, high in vitamins A and C. So can't wait to use this. Is very, very nice. I love a good face serum. So I will definitely be using it, and I love this packaging. So pretty. I can't wait to kind of let that sit out or put it in my little beauty fridge. Really excited about that. Two more things in here. I got the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I believe this is battery operated, and it's basically a little silicone brush that you use to cleanse your face. So it uses Sonic Glow technology with 4 customizable modes, and a brush optimized for all skin types. So it uses kind of like sonic vibration to cleanse your face. And then on the other end, it also has a little massaging side. So really nice. I actually kind of needed something like this, so I'm pretty excited about it. And I love this color. It's exactly the kind of color I would want. And then the last thing in here that I got is this Core Bamboo Serve Set. And it's a nice little board, and then we've got little tongs and a little spatula kind of thing. And this would be perfect to make like your own little charcuterie board. Yes, I think I'm going to be doing that. So this is perfect. I don't have anything like this already, and I can use this to make like a little appetizer tray or whatever, serve on it. So definitely will be getting some use out of this. So very, very excited. I love my box. I cannot wait to get the winter box whenever we get that. And I love everything I got in this box. I'm very excited about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to sign up for Causebox, I will leave a link down below. I don't personally have a link to share with you. I'll see if I can find one. But if not, I'm sure if you just type in Causebox on Google, you will come across many, many codes. But I will try to leave a code down below for you if I can find one. But I highly recommend it. It is quarterly. You're literally spending the same amount of money as you do on like BoxyCharm. Actually, it's cheaper than getting BoxyCharm. And you get so many great products for you and for your home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Be sure to subscribe and leave some comments down below if you also get Causebox, or would you be interested in getting something like this, or what subscription service do you get? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.